Sculptural ring for women born under the sign of Pisces. Impressively large sculptural top, securely held on the finger by a specially designed ring. Mammoth tusk with a natural green layer, silver, gemstones that can be exchanged as the mood requires. Pisces is just the beginning. We will come out of the water to walk on land, we will rise into the air, we will begin to conquer space. Unlimited creative space, any type of material, but most importantly, the opportunity to use large fragments of mammoth tusk, a precious noble relict, emitting the flavor of antiquity, the true king of miniature sculpture. Joseph Epstein large sculptural rings, absolutely new jewelry for independent women.